So this is Ashok Bhui, and today I'm going to share 7 quick steps to be fluent in English. And the first step that we can have it is stop translating from your mother tongue to English. Instead, you can think in English and try to make some sentences. So in this way, it will save you time. It will not create that hesitation whether I'm grammatically right or wrong. You can just think in English and make the sentences, start conversation. Okay, so it will build up your confidence. Now, step number 2, that is speak daily for 10 to 15 minutes. Now here, two ways are there. The first one is like you can go in front of a mirror and try to speak for like at least 5 to 10 minutes every day. And the second one that we can have is you can record your voice in your mobile, or you can record your video. And once the video is recorded, you can watch it, you can listen to it and see like what grammatical mistakes you have committed there. And accordingly, you can make some corrections whenever those are required. Now, step number 3 that you can have, learn some daily use sentences. Maybe related to like office, maybe like related to like education, learning. It can be related to travel and all. So those sentences can definitely help you to be confident, because the same activities are going to repeat. There is nothing like newness which can come there. So try to imbibe, try to understand those sentences which repeat every day. And there is no need to do something like extra efforts putting on for that and anything. Okay? Simply you can just learn those sentences. Now, next step is there, that is like step number 4, master basic tenses. Now, you are aware there are total 12 tenses. Out of that, 3 tenses are really important: simple present, simple past, and simple future. So these 3 tenses can definitely help you out to be more communicative. Almost 80% communication is done in these 3 tenses. And you need not to bother about rest of the tenses. Just work on these 3 tenses. If you go for an interview, the time you can come across such kind of question: tell me about your daily routine, what you did yesterday, what did you do yesterday, or what will you do tomorrow. Okay, so such kind of questions are asked there to check your fluency, to check your English communication. And if you get mastery over it, definitely again you will be confident, and more chances are there you will get hired if you prepare in the same way. Now, tip number 5, think in situations. Think like there will be like situations are there. Think about the situation like, okay, every person performs different roles. Yes, so right now I have a different role as we can say content creator. If I go in a shop, that time my role will be different. If I go for an interview, that time my role will be different. So as the roles change, the language will change. Okay, so what you need to think about, a situation is there, and in that situation what kind of sentences, what kind of questions may come up, and how I'm going to tackle it. As you think in that way, definitely you are going to make the sentences. You can train your brain in that way, and you can get familiar, you can get acquainted with such kind of sentences, such kind of words, and it will help you in real conversation. Now, number 6, that is all about improve your pronunciation. Now, improving pronunciation is not that hard. What you can do, you can imitate, you can copy. For example, if there is an audio going on, you try to say in the same way. Or there may be some audiobooks. Try to say in the same way, try to read in the same way, loudly. Or there are some channels, you can follow those channels on YouTube, you can follow some of the links are there even. There are some stories, native speakers channels are there. You can follow them. Along with that, you can read loudly for 10 to 15 minutes every day. Okay, so loud reading will be there, and that loud reading can definitely help you to have some exercise of your pronunciation. So basically, there may be some challenges for you related to some sounds like s or sh or t or d. You can practice those sounds with the help of tongue twisters, like she sells at the seashore. Or there are some like challenges with like r sound, road roller, load roller, road roller, load roller. Such kind of tongue twisters you can have. Okay, so this is going to help you to enhance your pronunciation. And the last one, be fearless. Don't worry about the mistakes. Every learner or every master was a beginner. So, in the same way, whatever the mistakes you may commit initially, those mistakes can help you to learn some things. And if you are waiting for the perfect time to be fluent in English, then that will never come up. Instead, I would suggest you whatever the mistakes you commit right now, those are going to the stepping stones towards your success. And don't wait for that auspicious time. Start it now. There may be some problems initially. Somewhere that motivation should come out from your end only. You should speak, you should learn it, and then only that fluency will be there with you. Now, these 7 particular steps can be really helpful for you if you start practicing on them. And there will be some more videos coming up for you people to like be more confident, to be more fluent in English. And if you like the video, please share, subscribe, and follow for more videos. Thank you so much.